Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Henrietta. If you're new here, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. On today's video, I am just going to be doing a simple unboxing with you guys. I just want to show you guys my brand new personal computer. I decided to get myself a computer because fam, when I tell you that it was time, it was really time for me to get myself a computer. Like in my entire adult life, this is probably the second computer that I am owning. And I started to feel like, you know what, you're too old not to have a personal computer. I know it does sound silly, but yeah, I just felt like I was starting to do too much on my phone. There was so many things I had to do, and just doing everything on my phone just made me started to feel like a phone addict, like I was on my phone all day and every day because managing clients, editing video, just doing everything, every administrative part of my business I was doing on my phone. And yeah, just like, you know what, I needed to separate work from my personal mobile device, and that's why I decided to get a laptop. And of course, I decided to get a MacBook because I'm such an Apple girl. I have used Apple phones since the iPhone 6, if I'm not mistaken. Ever since the iPhone 6 came out, I have used iPhones till date. And so when I wanted to get a computer, it only felt right that I should order a MacBook as a loyal as a loyal Apple customer that I am. Anyways, I love how Apple's interfaces, it's really simple, it's really easy, and it's something that I'm used to. So yeah, it just felt like, I should just get a MacBook. And when I wanted to buy a MacBook, I just decided to go for the MacBook Air because, like I said earlier, I'm not a very heavy laptop user. So honestly, there was really no need for me to get a Pro. I decided to go for the MacBook Air, and I wanted something really sleek, something portable, something that wasn't heavy because, again, I'm not a very heavy laptop user. Since I've gotten this laptop, the only thing that I've done with it is edit my YouTube videos. I don't even have Microsoft Word on it yet. I know. But anyways, I would do better. And yeah, now that I have a personal computer, I would find other things that I can actually do with it. But anyways, this is what it's looking like. I really, 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 really love this computer. I got in the color midnight, which I absolutely love, by the way. When it hits the lights, there's this blue color that it gives, just looking really nice and royal and regal, if that's a word to use, if that's the proper way to use this word. Anyways, so in terms of specifications, I'm not a tech girly, so honestly, I'm not going to be giving you guys any deep specifications. I ordered it in 512 gig because I just needed storage for like videos, and I also ordered it in the 16 gig memory, if that's correct, I think. I know this is probably the weirdest unboxing video you guys have seen, but anyways, just bear with me, guys. You can see when it hits the light, see that blue that I was telling you guys about. When it hits the light, it's absolutely beautiful, and I really, 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 really love it. Anyways, I will come back and do a follow-up for you guys a few weeks, after I have used this computer, and just tell you guys what I think. I also got this cute case from Amazon just to give it that extra protection. You can find the link to order it in the description. Anyways, that's it for this video. Let me know if you want me to do more unboxing videos with you guys. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next video. Bye, guys.